Your Android TV is slow. Stop suffering. Today I will show you how to transform it into a speed beast in less than 5 minutes. Watch this. We are going to unlock the hidden potential that manufacturers don't want you to touch. But first, subscribe to enjoy new entertainment every week. Step 1. Go to Settings, About, and look for Build. Press the center button on your remote 7 times, OK? Until it says you are now a developer. Now enter Developer Options. We are going to kill the animations. Change these 3 scales to disabled. You will notice the change instantly. Next trick of 2026. Logger buffer size. Raise it to 4 or 16 megs. This eliminates stuttering in 4K streaming. Be careful with this. Background processes. Set it to no background processes or maximum 1. Your RAM will thank you. Many people forget this. Disable notifications for apps you don't use. Netflix, Disney, and YouTube steal resources by sending alerts you don't read. Master trick. Force stop and disable the camera and calendar. Your TV box doesn't have lenses. Why is it consuming power? Do you want to install external apps without errors? Enable USB debugging. It's a master key for true power users. If your Android box is from 2026, look for Adaptive HDR. It prevents menus from looking washed out and improves contrast in every pixel. Let's talk about the internet. If you can, use an Ethernet cable. Wi-Fi always loses 30% of its power due to interference. It is science. If you use Wi-Fi, connect to the 5G network. It's shorter range, but 5 times faster for 4K streaming. A secret. Clear the cache of all apps once a month. Digital clutter is what really slows down your hardware. Your remote doesn't respond well. Go to Bluetooth and unpair old devices. Signal saturation causes that annoying input lag. Let's talk about the Play Store. Disable automatic updates. You don't want your TV box to get slow right when you are going to watch your favorite series. Pro tip. Use a lightweight launcher. The default one is usually full of ads that consume data and processor. Let's talk about sound. Configure the pass-through. If you have a soundbar, let your audio equipment do the heavy lifting. Last critical setting, energy saving. Set it to turn off after 20 minutes of inactivity. It saves electricity and lifespan. If after all this it is still slow, do a hard reset. But beware, this is the last resort to clean old firmware bugs. Look at the difference. Before it took 5 seconds to open YouTube. Now it is instant. Mission accomplished. If your TV box gets too hot, don't enclose it in the cabinet. Heat cuts performance in half. Let it breathe. Did you know you can use your phone as a remote? Download the official Google TV app. Typing passwords with the remote is a thing of the past. How much did yours improve? Leave it in the comments. 1 if it flies, 5 if you need another tutorial, and watch this video for more tricks.